Okay. Yeah. Morning all. So myself, I'm Vijay. Like I hold 20 plus years of experience in different technologies, starting with Java, Python, big data, data science, and AI. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes. Yeah. Can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Right? Yes.
Yeah, now it's clear.
And thank you. So yes. Yeah. Fine. So yes, starting with the data. So data has got experience, data has got future reference. See, entire world is flooded with user data. So here I said data has got experience, right? Here using the data and using this data science, we perform like data analysis, data predictions, data classifications, data clusterings, data recommendations. So I can say data science. Data science combines maths, statistics, programming, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning for extracting insights, hidden organizations data. So it combines math, statistics, programming, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning for extracting insights hidden in organizations data. In a shorter version, right? Yes. Data science. See, data science is the art of turning. It is the art of turning data into actions. Data into actions. Yes. Data science focus on value. They focus on value, not the value. See, data science is the field that is evolving at a rapid speed today. So just to be part of this journey. So it is emerged. See, data science is emerged from statistics and data mining. So it is emerged from statistics and data mining. So data science is all about, sorry, here there's a typo mistake. Yes, data science and AI. So here data science is all about using tools, techniques, and creativity to uncover the insights hidden within the data. It combines math, that's just now I was talking, right? It combines this maths, computer science, this domain expertise to tackle the real world challenges in variety of fields. So I can say data science, it is going to process the raw data and solve the business problems and even making predictions about the future trends and requirements. For example, a very huge raw data in a company, data science can help you answer the questions, right? Answer the various questions like what do the customer want, what is expecting, how can we improve our services, and what will be the upcoming trends in the sales, and how much stock required for a particular event, right? In this way it can answer various of questions in an organization from the huge raw data. And today if you see in AI, if you see, okay, here also typo mistake in this, artificial intelligence data. Okay. Today, if we talk like AI, in AI, people generally talk about generative AI and agentic AI. Just I'll give an overview. I doesn't want to enter into technicals as of now. Generative AI. Generally, it's generative AI, agentic AI agents, we say agentic AI. See, generative AI in a single word or a single statement in a simple way creates new content. creates a new content like text, the images, by learning patterns from the data. By learning patterns from the data. Yes. Just it creates new content like text or images by learning patterns from the data. On the other side, agentic AI, it generally focuses on making decisions on its own, making decisions and executing actions, multi-step actions, and achieving the goals. So it is for decision making and executing actions, that is creating new content like text or images by learning from it in a simple way, right? Yes. Generative AI is about creation, Agentic AI. Agentic AI is about action and decision making, is about actions and decision making. Right? Yes. To achieve. So I can say, if we talk about AI. So here, developing systems, I can say developing systems that can perform, tasks, that require human intelligence, such as human intelligence, learning, problem solving, and decision making, right? Yes. Okay. So in the case of generative AI, I can say it is subset of AI. Generative AI is the subset of AI to create new original content. It learns patterns and structures from varieties of data sets and use that knowledge, generate new outputs like text, images, music, code, all these things. One second. Can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear? One second. So it learns, I said, generative AI learns patterns and structures from various data sets, right? And then uses this knowledge to generate outputs like text, images, codes, music, etc. Example, ChatGPT for text, DALL-E for images, various other tools for code generations, right? Yes. So this is right for content creations, right? And for enhancing creativity. And fine. So here, combining of tools, memory, and knowledge to perform these tasks, right? Yes. Fine. Okay. So in this course, right? In this course, you will be learning a full stack data science, total like data science, machine learning, total deep learning techniques, and also like AI, advanced AI, agentic, that is generative AI and agentic AI. Like, so I'll just brief you about the things. So just I'll give the overview like what we will be discussing. So it's a total 5 months course. In brief, in depth, we'll be discussing, right? Course overview. So starting with the introduction to Python. So Python is the language for implementing, right? Mostly chosen language. Okay. Pandas and NumPy. For data analysis and for data manipulations. So where we'll deal with the NumPy arrays like pandas data frames creation from different things and various data frame operations, NumPy arrays and different NumPy arrays, 2D, 3D arrays, and also like the matplotlib and matplotlib and plotly, right? Yes. So for data visualizations, right? How to work with the different graphs, generating graphs, normal plottings, different types like bar graphs, histograms, scatter plots, stack plots, pie graphs, right? Yes, with many working examples. Statistics for data science. Statistics for data science, right? Yes. Or statistical methods for data science. See, this statistics helps data scientists. They help data scientists understand the data variability, testing the hypothesis, summarizing the complex data sets, right? We got like descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, central tendency measures, mean, median, mode, the story of the average, data distribution, sampling, types of sampling, correlation analysis, using of correlation, continuous variables, categorical variables, right? Yes. Yes. Next, ML, machine learning. Machine learning, right? Yes. So in the machine learning, right? So various machine learning techniques, regression, nonlinear, linear, decision trees, random forest, clustering techniques, partition methods, k-means clustering, right? All this. Okay. Next, like time series analysis. MLOps, machine learning operations set of practices that combine ML development and operational DevOps, right? To automate, streamline the entire ML life cycle, right? And even in this, I'll also be discussing about big data, PySpark, Spark, very high speed processing execution model, very high speed processing execution model for processing huge data. NLP and text mining. NLP and text mining, natural language processing, and text mining, right? Yes. Deep learning techniques. See this NLP, I was talking about NLP and text mining allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. So it's a bridge the gap between the people and the technology, right? Here we use NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, with suite of libraries and programs for statistical NLP, right? Deep learning, like even like a TensorFlow. See in deep learning and ANN, CNN, artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks. TensorFlow, right? It is a open source. It is a free open source software library for machine learning and deep learning, which is developed by Google. All right, it provides a set of tools, APIs, and libraries to help the developers build, train, deploy MI models, right, efficiently across different platforms. And even like Boltzmann machine, right? It is a type of neural network that uses approach to model data distributions, unsupervised learning models, and the hidden nodes. Autoencoder. It is also a type of unsupervised deep learning neural networks that learns how to compress the data into lower dimensions. So, because even this AI requires a lot of deep learning techniques, right? AI requires this. So, even I'll be discussing more on this deep learning techniques like GAN, Generative Adversarial Network, right? It is also a deep learning. It is a powerful model architecture that uses competing neural networks. that is like a generator discriminator. Fine. RNN GRU. RNN means like recurrent neural network, type of neural network designed to process sequential data. GRU, gated recurrent unit. It's a type of recurrent neural network designed to process the same sequential data. Fine. LSTM. So LSTM, right? It's a long short-term memory. It's a type of recurrent neural network in deep learning to process sequential data, selectively remembering or forgetting the information over the long period of time. And like OpenCV, right? Yes. So open source computer vision library, it is a vital role in deep learning again, particularly within the domain of computer vision, a powerful toolkit for handling the image and video data that we use in deep learning models. Yes. Generative AI. I said subset of AI. It creates a new content. Just now I was talking about it. It creates a new content like text or images by learning patterns from the data. And coming to this prompt engineering. Designing and optimizing prompts for AI models, especially large language models, LLMs, to accurately relevant decide for the desired outputs. Even like advanced prompt techniques, and working with LLM APIs, LLM like OpenAI, Gemini, Mistral API, right? Large language model Meta AI. Next, working with RAG systems, retrieval augmented generation systems, an AI framework that enhance large language models combining with external IRS, information retrieval systems. Vector databases and embeddings. So it is unstructured data stores unstructured data. Vector database stores in unstructured data such as text, images, or audio as high dimensional numerical representations called vector embeddings. LLM ops, large language model operations, specialized set of practices and tools, right, designed to manage the entire life cycle of large language models. And agentic AI. I said right just now, talking like making decisions, actions to achieve the specific goals. Even like on this agentic AI architectures and designs, working with long chain, building AI agents and long graph, implementing agentic graph, developing AI agents with free data and multi-agent systems with long graph, advanced agent development, building AI agents, right? Yes. So these things you can just check with this. So in brief, in depth, we'll be discussing, right? Yes. You can just check this course content for it. 1 second. So starting with the data science introduction, what is data science, growing need for data science skills, sources of data quantity, quality, and Python for data science, some basics of this Python, and NumPy, Python for data analysis for numerical data, pandas for data analysis, matplotlib for data visualization, statistical methods for data science, types of statistics, and machine learning, and all this machine learning techniques implementation, time series analysis and forecasting, MLOps fundamentals, big data and PySpark, NLP, text mining, extracting, cleaning, and pre-processing text, deep learning, and TensorFlow, convolution neural network, Boltzmann machine and autoencoder, generative adversarial network, GAN, emotion and gender detection, introduction to RNN and GRU, LSTM, OpenCV, generative AI. See, from module number 20 onwards to module 40, it will be like the generative AI and agentic AI. Yes. And the prompt engineering, advanced prompt techniques, like advanced prompt techniques, COT, TOT, change of thought, tree of thought, right? Working with LLM APIs, building LLM apps in long chain, developing RAG systems, vector databases and embeddings, building end-to-end Gen AI applications, evaluating Gen AI applications, multimodal LLMs, LLM ops and evaluations, right? Agentic AI from this 31 to 40, it will be agentic AI, architectures and design patterns, working with long chains, right? AI agents and long graph topics, implementing agentic RAG, developing AI agents with free data, multi-agent systems with lang graph, advanced agent development with AutoChain, AI agent observability and agent ops, and building AI agents with no low code tools. So in brief, in depth, we'll be discussing about this data science and this AI, generative AI and agentic AI, right? So yes, fine. So the offerings from my side, you'll be getting each and every session video. So each and every session will be recorded, each live session recording. Okay. Soft copy of this class notes. Assignments and tasks to work. A WhatsApp group will be created by me where you can have direct interaction with me. If you got any tech for technical discussions, or if you got any errors, you can take snaps of it and post in the WhatsApp group.
Hello, I have some
Yeah.
question.
Yes, 1 second. I'll be giving time for your questions. Interview questions, around 200 interview questions, mostly asked questions. Live interactive and hands-on sessions. Wherever you want to do parallel along with me, you can do it. Yes. Plus, along with that, right, this is the offering from my side, even from DURGASOFT, right. Along with that, you'll be getting DURGASOFT is offering some free access to the videos, like the Python videos, around 100 plus videos on Python, where you can, if you want to get deep into this, deep dive into this Python, right, you can just check with that. Plus also like some kind of MySQL videos, and for anyone like Linux shell scripting videos. Around 120 videos, right? So here, these are the videos free access given from the DURGASOFT, like Python, MySQL, and Linux shell scripting videos. 100 videos on Python, 120 videos on this, and MySQL. Once you get enrolled, you will be getting the access to this. So these are the offerings from my side. Yes. So the duration of this course is 5 months. So 2 months on this data science, 3 months on this AI. Yes, totally 5 months. That duration is like, first initial I'll be taking for 8 to 9. Later it will be increased to 1.5 hours, right? Initially it will be from 8 to 9. Later it will be for 1.5 hours, right? Yes.
Uh, can I
Yes.
ask?
Yes. Go ahead.
Hi, good morning. So this is so as you mentioned, as you given the multiple modules you are covering AI agentic. So for this, may I know, suppose after completion of this course, okay, what as a I will tell you about my background. So I'm already working in MNC in Wipro. So we are I have 5+ years of experience in development, so in Python, Java. So apart from that, currently I am working on LLM models only, LLM models deployment on VLLM. You might know VLLM models,
Yes, yes.
VLLM framework on
Yes, yes.
Kubernetes clusters we deploy. So I I am looking forward to change the job. For frankly, I'm telling you, that's why I enrolled for this course. So if I want to showcase as a resume, not as a data science, as a Gen AI developer.
Okay.
So how this course will be fruitful? Because in the data science there are lots of things. There comes data analysis part. We cannot. There should be one specific strong skill. Suppose prompt engineering, something is quite different. Okay. So what you suggest for me or something like a 5+ if I go after completion of this course and in the March, April, if I want to give the interviews, how
Okay.
should I uh, prepare a resume as a where I can get good call, a good number of
Okay. Okay.
opportunities
That's
also?
yes, yes,
What
yes,
what
yes.
what what do you suggest?
Yeah, that's fine, right? Yes, that's good query. So here, after this course, right, you can go to the different things roles like a data scientist, like a ML engineer, AI engineer, right? Gen AI engineer, right? And even if you add some little things, if you add, you can go as a data analyst. Like even if you go with some additional like Power BI and some MS Excel, right? You can go as a data analyst. So people generally just can shift to different things. So as a boom in this AI and this data science and AI, so in this, right, totally I'm covering all the things like which required for data science and AI. So even the prerequisites, anything required, everything is covered, right? So you can go as so here if you see the course content in brief, in depth, we'll be discussing about each and everything, right? A typical 3 plus 4 years guy, how much knowledge he is going to gain, you will be getting those things. Even I'll be discussing some projects like 3 to 4 projects in that where you will be implementing the things, right? So you'll be getting that exposure to that. So today, like if you see a lot of boom for this AI because of that boom. And even one thing what I say here explicitly, I'm covering 3 months. Explicitly I'm covering 3 months for this AI. See, if we talk about the other training sites, other trainers, if we talk like in AI, again if they say AI for 3 months, AI for 3 months, they say again in the 3 months again they'll discuss statistics, they'll discuss Python, statistics, ML, DL, again that AI. But explicitly I'm sparing time for this AI, generative and agentic AI, right? Especially for this 3 months I'm spending 2 months separately for this data science, 3 months for this AI, where you will be explicitly the time will be allocated for this AI and AI things, right? So you will be getting in-depth knowledge about each and every functionality of it. So you'll get a great boom. Compulsorily you will get through the interview process because that much knowledge you'll be gaining. When you can just check this syllabus with any other training sites, you can see you will be going in deep in this like that, right? Definitely once you go to the interview process, if you see, you can keep all this, expose all these things in your resumes that you have got knowledge about these things. So with many working examples, I'll be discussing the things, right? Yes. Yeah. Any other queries you got, anyone, right? So total, just I was talking about the prerequisites, what all covered, like basic Python is required, basic Python, basic SQL, right? So even I'll be discussing about the basic Python syntaxes for and also that pandas, numpy, matplotlib, those things. Even you can go through that if you want a full command on this Python also, because we'll be getting the Python videos access where you can go through during this process.
So tell me, so as a XP, you told that we can show as a data science also, but as a data, there are in the you know that you have a junior data science role, we have a data engineer role, where organizations have different titles depend on that companies,
Data,
right?
data
You
engineer is
must.
again, data engineer again is different role, right? Data engineer is for data management, for data storage and data processing, right? Where you require this knowledge of this data engineering, like PySpark, like Spark and Python, Spark, right? The other things. So here also, like I'm discussing PySpark here, up to what required, up to what knowledge, but not the entire data engineering. So here data engineering is separate. Data scientist, these are the two things, right? If you see in the 2025, the current, from last 1 2 years, the high paying jobs in the market, data scientist and data engineering jobs, right? These are high paying jobs. The data, if we see in the current industry also, the top ranking jobs, the data scientist or this AI engineer, and many companies, if we talk, they're hiring these people, data scientists and AI engineers, with the great salary packages. If we are expecting huge salary packages, and they're offering high paying jobs for these people. So if you want to shift your career, this is the right time to shift. Even if you see a lot of boom in the coming years, if you see the next 1 2 years, right, we will see the boom for this AI. So just I was saying that if you go with this course, what are the other things you can also go, right, with some additional small things you need to add, so that you can go with different other things. Even people asking for the people who are from non-programming, those things are, I want to go as a data analyst. So what is the things, means you can add something, means this is okay. This is a big thing where you are learning everything about this data science and AI, total knowledge you will be getting. But even many roles you are there where you can go later. I'll be briefing you about to those things, and I'll just forward you some resumes where you can build it. So I'll be helping you in that.
So you told that you will give the projects also. So in the projects, we so that project will be helpful to showcase as experience, because
Yes,
we should have to customize by ourselves.
yes, definitely, right, definitely. I'll be just briefing you about all those things, right? And also I'll be what to keep and how to keep, what are the things you need to showcase in your resume. Just I'll be helping you, right? I'll take some couple of sessions on that.
No, no, because see, I if I have now I have 6+ years of experience. Now, if I go to the in suppose in the next year in 2026
Mm,
in March April, if I'm looking for the interview, then
mm,
if I am telling that I have 2+ years of experience in data science, 2 or
mm.
3+, I cannot say total 6 years of experience, right? Or 3 years I was working in the data science field. So in that way, what in the data science, in which part I have been working, what
So see
suppose
one thing.
if I pick prompt engineering,
So okay, I understood your
sorry.
query. You mean to say just how much years I need to keep your talking?
Yeah, yeah. So suppose if I am if I want to showcase, then what should be the criteria? Means suppose if I'm telling the HR or telling after completion of this course, I can tell that, oh, 3+ years of experience in the I was first 3 years I was in development, then I moved to the data science, working in the prompt engineering, this NLP, some Gen AI part, LLM models deployment.
One thing, current in the current industry, right? In the current industry, they are seeing your the command in this AI. How much command you have got in this AI, right? See, they will see the technical skills, how much command. Even for that, you can demand the salary for it. Even 1.5 times or 2 times, you can also demand the salary, right? It depends upon how command you are in that technology, right? So whatever, okay, you can show that your experience. Again, you can, I'm saying with this course you can have a 3+4+years experience. Okay, how much knowledge, that much knowledge you are going to gain. So you can have that confidence with you. You can just go through the interview process, and you can command or you can demand for that salaries, I'm saying, right? So okay, whatever experience you got, whatever the gap you got after your graduations, right, you can just put all those things. Later I'll brief you those things, but one thing is the command in the interview is required. And also you can also demand for that, because when you got that much of technical that skills, right, yes, you can command for that. So that is what you'll be gaining the confidence in this course. Even you'll be getting the knowledge more than that interviewer in this course. Okay, fine. Means that was
So
I was saying, right,
is
advanced
and
knowledge.
And
Hmm.
apart from this, in the interview process or what, any DSA part is required?
No. What are all the things, whatever I'm covering, that's enough.
Okay, thank you.
What are the things? Okay, fine.
The
So
timing
to
is the 8 p.m., right?
8 a.m.
8 a.m., sorry.
8 a.m. in the morning. So sessions will be interactive sessions. Everyone during the sessions you can interact. If total that sessions will be, you'll be kept in unmuted status. Any point you can ask the queries, and for each and everything you people will be responding. That is response from both the sides. And at any point you can ask, even wherever that if you want to do parallel along with me, you can do the things along with me. So the prerequisite someone were asking, first it is basic Python. Even I'll be discussing those basic before, I'll be starting with the basic Python concepts. But I won't spend more time with that, right? But if you want, you can just go to the videos like Python. We're sparing for 2 weeks, like which includes NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib along with this basic Python, right? Okay, later I'll also give that knowledge on this prerequisites like statistics. The fee structure, right, is a right, it's an offer batch. It is an offer batch. It's just like 20,000 is the this that to previously we used to conduct a different like data science 20,000, AI 20,000, so 40,000, right? But it's an offer batch which is given both data science and AI for 20,000, so which includes all this. So already I said like not like the other training sets like other trainers, right? So it's not like explicitly I'm spending 3 months for AI, which means data science and AI, 2 months for this data science and AI. So generally the others within the AI only, they again they'll include Python, data science, MLDL, again all those AI. And finally, if you see 1 month they will allocate for this AI. And even if you see the course content from the model number 20 to model number 40, I'm spending for this AI, enough time for this AI, right? Yes. So check with this course content with other training sites, with other things, right? You can check with that. Tomorrow also, you can attend this. Tomorrow you can attend the session. Same time at 8 o'clock using the same link to see more discussion on this, right? Yes. Any other queries from your side? Anyone? So this today it's an introductory session. Tomorrow we'll be starting with that. Okay.
Do we have opening for freshers?
Yes, definitely. Even for the freshers also, right? Today, if we can see, previously, like last month, two of the freshers has got jobs in that. So, but only thing is, whenever you get an, but as compared to the experience, little means little less that opportunities will be there. But still, once you get that opportunity, you can showcase your skills, right? Definitely, you can get to that because this much of knowledge a fresher has got means you will be the first choice in the interview, because this much advanced things if you're learning and if you're showcasing in the resume, right, you will be the first choice in that, right? But even if fresher also, right, even the fresher today the boom is for all, right? Even today if you see you've got many graduation degrees in this AI ML for all these things. Okay, right. Someone was asking a query, right? Okay, fine. If I'm done with the queries, if there are no other queries, I'm signing off for now. Meet you tomorrow, same time, with the same link, more discussion on this, right? Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Bye.